Hi you guys, it's Crystal Escobar with Wannabe Balanced. I am so excited to show you some helpful tips on how to have a healthy barbecue. There's so many awesome ways to still eat healthy over the summer, so I'm just gonna show you a couple ideas on how to keep your summer barbecuing healthy. Okay, so we're gonna make some chicken skewers with vegetables. I've cut up the chicken into cubes, added some olive oil, some chili powder, and yeah, I'm kind of freaking out because there's bees flying all around me in this video, so don't mind me, I'm all fidgety. Okay, so I added some cumin, some garlic powder, sea salt, and fresh ground pepper. And then, yeah, mix it all around, but use gloves because my hands totally smelled like garlic for the rest of the day because I didn't use gloves. Okay, so you assemble the skewers, and then I have another option I'm going to show you. An Italian one using Newman's Own Italian dressing. I love Newman's Own. And just kind of let the chicken marinate for like 30 minutes. Happy birthday!
Thank you!
And here is a delicious quinoa salad. It's just quinoa, corn, black beans, some cilantro, avocados, a little bit of the same seasoning that I used for the chicken, and then just stir it all together and voila. Oh yeah, and don't forget the important lime juice. It makes everything taste amazing whenever you're cooking Mexican food. And of course, you gotta have some healthy drink options. Here is some fruit-infused water, so delicious. And then here is some iced tea, herbal tea, made from chamomile, ginger, and mint, using fresh mint and a little bit of stevia just to sweeten it up a bit. So delicious and refreshing. Perfect for a healthy barbecue. Do you want